Hello everyone, welcome to the daily analysis video. I hope you all had a great Friday, and I shared many analysis today on Twitter as well, so that what happens is that when I show in the Telegram channel, those who are new here, they don't believe how can it happen that you are giving six, you took six trades and all the six went correct, and everything is getting correct, so 100% accuracy, how can it happen? So this is fake, totally fake. Okay, so that's what the feel comes when someone is new here, but over the time when they follow, they get the thing that is yes, when I also go wrong, I definitely tell them that as well, so then they get to know that yes, this guy is not faking it. So anyways, I have also told you that if I fake, if after being a member you see that I'm faking it, I'll give you 10x return of what you have paid me. So let's come one by one. What happened today? So in the morning when Nifty was going up, and when everyone thought that now we are like Modi ji is back, okay, so now we are going to go to 22,500. Okay, so then what happened was when it was near about 22,100, so I clearly posted here, that is, just go and check the time of the tweet. So here I posted this one, so this tweet I did, and in that, note down the time. So it's at 10:21. So 10:21, Nifty is 15. So this is 10. So this is the candle. Okay, so just right at the top I mentioned that our Nifty money flow, where so Nifty money flow was decreasing, though Nifty was going up. Finally Nifty money flow was decreasing, and I also posted the graph. So as you can see, money flow was decreasing, as you can very well see what was the situation of the graph then. Okay, and Nifty was going up, so that was the situation. And also now also you can see the same situation what happened here, that is, look at the time, 10:03. So from that time onwards, the money flow started decreasing. Okay, and but the spot was increasing. Now what happens is that I showed you live, so now you will believe. Okay, if I showed this, if I didn't post this live, you wouldn't have believed it. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, so nothing is being faked here, so everything is happening, and according to the data points, and that's the thing. That's the thing, that is, our score was decreasing, Nifty was going up, spot was going up, but the money flow score is decreasing. So it's a divergence. Okay, and it's a bearish divergence, and it worked out perfectly. From that, after that candle onwards, Nifty started falling. Okay, and after this fall again, when this went up again, I posted that the money flow is negative. So even in the members also, so this is today, so 10th of May, and again this is that same Telegram channel, guys. So nothing fake or something that I'm using 2 to 3 Telegram channels. So again, I'm keep on telling you, there is an open challenge if you think I'm faking. So coming down to today, 10th, so here, that is, in the morning we also bought puts because the big guys were buying puts, and then we got a very good exit, that is at 148. And so basically we bought, we means I, so we basically bought 22k PE, and we got a very nice exit. So you can see where we bought and what. So anyways, and also we shorted 22 400 CE at 50 and closed it at 36.50 there. And then again, as I mentioned, that when again the up move came, so now look at here. So that is sorry, here, let's come to the next point here. Bank Nifty money flow, this one, Nifty 50. So money flow negative. So look at the time, 11:12. Okay, so 11:12, let's go to Nifty. So 11:12 is this candle, so it's almost at 22:55. Okay, so after that 5 minutes green candle came, so that is very normal, guys. Again, I mean, if you always expect that abhi bolunga to matlab abhi girna hai, to I am not God. Okay, so no one can do that. So morning it worked fine, but every time, don't expect that wherever we say it starts falling from there. Okay, so that only a liar and the God can do it. So anyways, just 2 green candles. Okay, but then look at the fall, it just fell to below 22k. And then again, we discussed this level even yesterday. I did not say that 22k is my level. I clearly mentioned that my next level is at 21,981. So it came clearly there and just took support exactly there and went up. Again got resistance at our level, that is 22,053. Came down and concentrated near about that. And yeah, talking about the members channel. So again puts were bought and closed, and the thing is that that was the second bearish trade. Again calls were also shorted. You can pause the video and check it out. And then again when it again went the last stop, it was making like this stop, so right at the top again shorted. Okay, so look at the time for the final short. So look at the time, 1347. So 1347 is here. So 1347 is almost here. So even after that, again as you can see, two small green candles, and then again the fall came, a nice fall came, and so we caught that reversal right at the top. So basically we caught three reversals. So two reversals were like open open to public on Twitter. The one in the morning right at the top, the one in the midday, just two green candles almost right at the top, and then again the next one right at the top. Okay, so that was only for the members. And then what happened was like I carried that forward. So the thing is that I made a lot of the last 2 days were too good, and so I took that risk because the big guys are shorting and they are taking bearish positions, and that's why like I took a risk. Even if like I mean Nifty ends below 22,400 where I have shorted calls, so overall I'll end in with profit. So the thing is that I mean end in with profit means like yesterday's profit and today's profit. So I mean I totally today's profit will get wiped out, and yesterday's profit, some profit will get wiped out. So if I combine today and yesterday's profit, so whatever positions I have taken, even if Nifty expires below 22,400, I will be at a profit. Okay, so that's the thing, and that's why I took the risk. Anyways, and also the main point is that I told you that where they bought the big guys and at what average price. So the thing is that in the morning you see that I bought it at 144. Okay, so the reason being was that so 144, the reason being was that they bought it at 157. Okay, so here they first bought it at 157, then they bought it at 152, 138, 127, 117 and 107. Okay, and the average almost comes out to be at 131, and that's why like I took positions. The final position that I took is way below their average price of buying. And even if you notice that like they bought it at 157 and the price went to 157. Okay, even after like it went to 105 somewhere, and then it went to 157. Just go and check the charts. Okay, so yes, closed at 157. So I think it went a little bit above that as well, 158 or 159. So anyways, yeah, so the thing is that I was waiting for this price because I knew that like they bought at 157, so price should go there, and as soon as price went there I closed it. Okay, so the thing is that yes, analysis worked out perfectly, and also I clearly mentioned that this was my risky trade. If someone would have wanted to close, like look at here, to the position where 22k was taken at 118 and the price finally went to 142. Okay, 21,900 was taken at 83, the price went to 102. And I clearly mentioned that like if one needs a peaceful sleep during the weekend, so of course they have a choice. Okay, so now the choice is like it's the people like they have to take the choice whether they want greed or they want peace. So it's up to them. So if you want to have if you want you have to take some risk to take the gains. Okay, so anyways, the thing is that now what my plan is that I have already gained the last 2 days. So now even if I take any risk, my gains wiped out. So still I'll be left with gains still. So the thing is that now yes, coming down to the main point is that the reason majorly I kept is because mostly we see the negative news coming at the weekend. Okay, so that's the thing. That's why I like kept it. But yes, again, might not come or whatever. Anything can happen. So even it can go up as well, as I said. So I hope again for the Twitter followers, my analysis helped, and my levels also helped, I hope. So coming down to now the other data points. So the main data point, that is yes, EOD data. So EOD data, what happened today? So both long and short positions have been made by the FIIs. So overall, FIIs have huge short positions in futures, and the long positions that the Propdex made yesterday, they closed half of it. So that means the Propdex are like they think that we might not be like market might not be in a bullish mode, and I think that's why they booked half of it. And talking about option chain, so option chain today majorly FIIs have done put writing and call writing. So they have done both. And talking about Propdex, they didn't do any call writing, so they closed call writing positions, and they also like initiated some put writing positions, and they also like took some call buying positions. So what I think is that this is nothing but this is to like so the data has been arranged in this way such that like it basically like let me tell you the plan. What can happen is that they will buy at 22k, okay, and then they will short at, let's say, 22,600. Or let's go to the option chain to better understand. So this data, like how they confuse the people is that, like if suppose they bought it at 22k and then they will go and short at, let's say, 21,500, okay, or maybe let's say that 22,600 or 700. So that's the point. Like, so you will see that huge short positions have been taken. So you'll see that, oh, they have done put writing, not put buying. No, actually they did put buying, okay, and the put writing is below. So that's how they fool the retail traders. So that's my analysis. I can go wrong, and that's my analysis during the intraday. So again, I can go wrong, but again, as you know, like you have seen my accuracy in the past as well. So that's what I'm going through. So that's my analysis. So the thing is that let's look at the overall position. So overall, if you look at FI's position, so this is the overall positions in the month of during the month of April, okay. So the April series that started in the last week of May. So May series which started in the last week of April, okay. So May series still so far the FIIs are put buyers and call writers, heavy call writers, and Propdex are also heavy put buyers and heavy call writers, okay. So that's the overall view. So option chain, FIIs, Propdex bearish, futures FIIs bearish. Propdex went a little bit long yesterday, but they have closed half of their longs. So that means it implies that like they are now carrying their future short. They have only closed a little bit of their future short position. So that means like now if you look at here, overall in Propdex are also short in the futures. So again, that's my final verdict would be sell on rise until unless we clear. So let's come to the charts. So yes, so above, let's first discuss. So until unless we clear out 22,220, so we are in a sell on rise mode. And here going below, I have shared that majorly the next major level lies at 21,840 to 21,733. Okay, and talking about BankNifty also, I mean, levels worked perfectly. See, our below level 47,436, okay, opened at around there, went up to exactly our level 47,828, got resistance, came down exactly to our next level, and finally concentrated there, okay. FinNifty, yes, FinNifty 21,154, we discussed this level, it went up, got resistance at this EMA. So this is the 50 this is the 100 EMA. So and then again came back to our level, took support and got again broke the support and came down a little bit near about, concentrated at around there. But yes, for the levels of BankNifty and Nifty, perfectly worked out, okay. And yeah, so I hope I have discussed everything. Yeah, let's go to the option chain one. So option chain, you will notice that here you have put writers, but again I am not buying that, so I'll consider that as put buying. And their average price of buying today is at 131. Okay, so yes, and now talking about Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, if you look at here, so on the call side, again, if you look at the PCR ratio, so it's almost 0.66, which is a bearish thing. And also, as we said, like 48,000 would give resistance. Even we discussed this yesterday. So look at here, it went to 47,828, almost near to 48,000, and then got resistance. So yesterday also we discussed that Bank Nifty should get resistance at around 48,000 or near about that. Okay, and so it's acting perfectly. And also look at the put side, it's not looking that great. And even if we go to the May, so May month, let's go to the final expiry. So look at here, that is change in OI is negative, like even far out of the money. Even if you look at Nifty monthly option chain, so which is just 2 weeks away, so 30th May, so volatility will definitely increase as elections would be coming to an end. And so even if you see here, that is far out of the money. Even at 21,500 they are closing, I don't know why. And even near about at the money also, things are not looking that great, and 21,850 also closing. So monthly option chain, things are clearly visible. Current option current expiry, the thing is that people are like, retail traders are made fool by that way. Like as I told you, that they would buy above, and for the puts they would buy above and sell below. Okay, and for the calls they would like again the same thing, they would buy below and short above. So that's how sometimes they make fool of us, and we don't understand, and we think that they have done call writing or put writing, and we make those mistakes. So that's my overall analysis. I hope my analysis are helping you out. And if you want live like my analysis during the live market hours, you can follow me on Twitter. And for the daily analysis, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if my analysis are helping you out, please don't forget to put a like and share it among the other traders who need such similar help. And thanks for watching, and have a great weekend. And also those who wants to become a member, so for them the coupon code is already there, so don't in the description, in the comment section, so don't forget to take the advantage of it. And yeah, so where you get access to the money flow indicators, and a complimentary access to the Telegram channel where I share the big guys positions and my trades. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one.